Yes, student. Now the atomic and ionic radii of group 13 element. Atomic radius of group 13th, okay, is larger as compared to 14th group. Okay, that means what? There is no exception. Very simple thing. What? Moving left to right, nuclear attraction force increases, so atomic radii what? Decreases. Atomic radii decreases. Therefore, the group 13 element have larger in size as compared to the group 14th element. But number B, moving down the group, moving down the 13th group, atomic radius and also ionic radius increases. Atomic radius also increases. Okay. This is due to increase in one shell. Okay, that is boron having the 2 shell, while the aluminum having 3 shell, the next one 4, next one 5, etc. Getting? So it is the simple manner. Moving down the group, atomic and ionic radius decreases. But the increase in size is not so regular. Okay. This is due to entering of electrons in D and F subshell. D and F subshell causes effective nuclear attraction force. Okay, and due to increase in effective nuclear attraction force, the atomic radius not increases regularly as it should increase due to increase in one shell. Actually, student, when the electrons enters in D and F subshell, they shows very poor and improper shielding effect. That is, the nuclear charge is getting increases on the valence electron, and due to this, the atomic radius is getting decreases. However, the number of shell increases. Therefore, here two effect work in opposite manner. One is what? Effective nuclear attraction force, and second one is what? Introduction of one shell, and therefore there is no regular increase in the atomic radius. Okay, exceptionally atomic radius and ionic radius of gallium is even shorter as compared to aluminum. Student, you know that gallium belongs to 4th period, while the aluminum belongs to 3rd period. So the aluminum should have bigger size, but gallium should have bigger size. But what we are observing here, the atomic size of gallium becomes even smaller as compared to the aluminum. Like here I am writing boron, aluminum, gallium, indium and thallium. These are the 5 elements. Now I am writing its atomic radius. Atomic radius of boron is 85. Okay, while the atomic radius of aluminum is 143. You can observe here approx 60 picometer difference is there. It is given in picometer. The difference is of 60 picometer. It is quite high. But after aluminium to gallium, again there should be increase at least up to 60 and it should become 200. But exceptionally, it remains what? 135. There is what? Decrease in atomic radius by what? 9 picometer. So this is very exceptional case. This exception is due to introduction of 10 electron in d subshell, which shows very poor and improper shielding effect. Due to this poor and improper shielding effect, the nuclear charge increases and thus the atomic radius suddenly gets decreases. But then after gallium to indium, again there is regular increase in the atomic radius. However, increase is not so high as it takes place between boron and aluminium. It is due to increase in very large number of proton, tend to decrease the atomic radius. However, it increases due to increase in one shell. Now, indium to thallium, again the atomic radius is getting increases, but only increase in 3 picometer. This 3 picometer is due to what? Now the thallium have very high number of proton, 81 number of proton, and due to this effective nuclear attraction force increases very strongly. However, one shell increases, therefore there is very little increase in the atomic radius. In the similar manner, you can discuss the ionic radius. Ionic radius of M+3 ion, that is common ion. It is 27 picometer. Then it is 53.5 picometer, that is what? Regular increase. But after that, you can get here in the ionic radius is what? 62. Increases but very less. Next one is 80.0 and the last one is increases but again very less, 88.5 picometer. So there is an exceptional case. Why do gallium have smaller atomic size? So you can ask the question, why gallium have smaller size as compared to what? Aluminium. So can you write the answer? You have to write the answer by giving a proper reason. And the reason is what? This is due to entering of 10 electron in d subshell, which causes poor and improper shielding effect. So nuclear charge, that is effective nuclear attraction force, increases and then size decreases.